Hey everyone, my name is Jeff Brown and welcome to my course, Managing Microsoft Teams, Phone Numbers and Systems. I am a Windows system engineer that has spent my career focusing on Microsoft technologies, and lately I've been working with their newest collaboration product, Microsoft Teams, which is the fastest growing app inside of Office 365. In this course, we are going to cover the phone system and audio conferencing topics so you can add voice capabilities for your users and take the Teams experience to the next level. Some of the major topics we'll cover include working with calling plans, including phone numbers and emergency addresses, managing the user experience with different policies, creating call queues and auto attendants to enhance your organization's capabilities, and configuring audio conferencing so users can dial into their meetings. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation to get started using the phone system and audio conferencing capabilities inside of Microsoft Teams. Before beginning the course, you should already be familiar with the Teams client as well as working with the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and the Teams Admin Center. You should also be familiar working with PowerShell as we'll look at management capabilities there. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about Microsoft Teams with the Managing Microsoft Teams, Phone Numbers and Systems course at Pluralsight.